Hypercharge! All in all jumps, his music blast area is larger and it won't consume as much ammo when it starts charging.
Super also fires his main attack in all directions from the point of impact.
James activates an additional super area around himself that follows him.
His super has a reduced cooldown during hypercharge and each super
Pikachu summons a larger Greavy that has bigger needles, higher damage, higher move.
Meeple, their super covers a larger area. It now allows
Larry calls for backup, summoning a second prototype Lorry bot.
Trunks super leaves amps on enemies which deal damage over time. There's no shadow.
Yes, we have 8 power-ups from heading into Brawl, in the form of... Just like in Subway Surfers, you can activate these to gain advantages in the game. Hack, fly and attack opponents from above.
You can either get an instant treat or wait for a treat. The new Shelly portrait.
Only 30 minutes.